Hey Morgan, um, your essay is great. It does everything it needs to do. The structure's good, the development's good, your descriptions are really specific and engaging. Um, there's some formatting and stylistic errors, but nothing to be worried about. You're missing a works cited sheet. That's the big one. And then there are a bunch of little things. I couldn't help myself from making editing comments, but I think they'll help you. Let's see. One thing is your formatting in terms of your alignment. So this paragraph looks to be centered or something. You've got extra spaces between paragraphs. I guess there isn't. Yeah, you have a pattern of comma splices. That's easy to fix. We're going to go over that this week, so don't worry too much about that. But in terms of what you wrote, it's great.